What's good, my beautiful MCA family? Guys, it's another sales week. The sales week just started. If you guys don't know, every Sunday is an MCA sales week. And guys, you have an opportunity to pretty much make anywhere between $80 to $1,000+ a week starting today. So you have all the way from today till Saturday to pretty much get involved and make a sale and actually get paid out the following Friday, guys. MCA is a beautiful thing. It's blessed a lot of people's lives. It's changing a lot of people's situation, guys. I mean, it's just a good thing, good way to make money, especially if you're in the USA and Canada. You know, with so much stuff going on with the alphabet boys, FTCs, SECs, all these people, man, they do. You know, it can become difficult as far as making money online or finding a good company or a good program to make money online. And with Motor Club of America, if you are reviewing this video, Motor Club of America is a good place that you want to definitely check out to make money online. I mean, for the simple fact that it's for the United States and Canada. They've been around since 1926, so they're over 30 years old, okay? They're over 30 years old. Well, I'm going to say over 80 years old, okay? And they actually, instead of doing big marketing and large advertisement, the company rather pay you, the person, as far as going out and referring others. There's no point in making others rich when in today, you know, in today's society, it's all about, you know, the little person making money. Now, there's so many people making money, so many jobs being cut, because so much technology and new stuff that is out there for people to make money, or for people, you know, that not to make money. So people have to find other ways to do their thing. You know, like I said, when you got so many jobs, good jobs that are laying people off. I mean, can't see, man, we have Harley, there's laying a lot of people off around here, man. Think about so many people that are employed at Harley, and now they don't have any, you know, now they're not working, and now they out here, they have to find their feed the family or find a way for them to make money. You don't want to get put in those situations. You want to have some type of skill set up, so if these jobs, you know, they ain't loyal. So if something happens, you pretty much have something in the background where you can work, you know, where you can say, well, all right, I'm going to throw my MCA shirt on, my agent shirt, my agent polo, and I'm going to hit up mufflers. I'm going to hit up some buy here, pay here's. I'm going to hit these places up, get them to sign up, or try to get them to sell my product. So that way I can continue to make money. See, the thing is that, you know, I would actually have others working for me if that was the case. If I was in that type of situation where, you know, I had to hit the ground running hard and it was only MCA and I'm only involved in MCA. This is a hypothetical situation if that was the case. Throw you on an MCA polo and hit the ground running, you know, and do what you have to do. Don't sit here and go look for a whole nother job or a gig. But you know what? At the end of the day, it does take education. And I just shot a video about educating yourself on marketing or if you're going to have a business. So you do have to be educated if you're going to be into this game. So that's the number one thing as well. But MCA does allow you to do that. You have people making, like I said, anywhere between $80 to $1,000+ a week, guys, paid directly into their bank account, all from helping families stay protected on and off the road. So if you're going to dealerships that is also offering, you know, this package, or if you're going there and they're selling the package for you, then think about all the unlimited commissions that you can make, and then at the end of the week, you're going to pay that dealer something for him helping you out. Or the dealer could sign up. The dealer could actually sign up as a company, and once the dealer signs up as a company, then you could get override commission. So each time that now you're letting the dealer work for you. Okay, so there's a lot of ways that you can make money in MCA. I just want to kind of break down some of the ways. So if someone says, you know what, I don't want to, you know, I like the benefits is cool, but I want to recruit people, then you can recruit people. You know, if you want to just promote the benefits, you can just promote the benefits. That's why I say MCA, it allows you to promote the product, or it allows you to be a regional recruiter in your area, you know, or a recruiter in the States. But it is a legit company, guys. So, you know, it might get a bad rep or a bad name just because, you know, people are not educated in that space. MCA has a lot of new people involved, so a lot of people are not educated when it comes to making money online. But if you're under the right person gets you in the right education, you're gonna be good. Okay. So that's what you want to get under at the end of the day. You want to get somebody that's going to help you, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to offer you bonus training from all my social media ads training. So Facebook ads, YouTube ad, Instagram ad, Twitter ads. I'm going to show you how to promote your business online when you join me. I'm also going to give you access to a free marketing system. So Now let me break some things down as far as income goes, because I show you how to maximize your income. Outside of just MCA, I always like to tell people you need a marketing system, something that does all of the selling and telling for you. So if someone requests information regarding MCA, you can give them your marketing system link, and that marketing system is going to do everything for you. Even follow up with them if they decide not to join. Let me go in here and make a quick one. Alright, I'm back, guys. Had to run to the store, making some morning runs, so just got up and jumped right up and started making runs and start shooting videos, how it goes. But the marketing system pretty much does all of the selling and telling for you. Now, here's the thing. The marketing system also helps you create a residual income, because this marketing system, any person that you refer into your MCA business and they pay you $80, you're also going to let them know, hey, you're going to need your marketing system to do all the promoting for you. The marketing system, it is $50 per month, okay? Not only with the marketing system, you're going to get a whole bunch of training with that as well. You're going to get a lot of network marketing training, over-the-shoulder training. You're going to have a lot of tools. So pretty much it's more of a business in a box, okay? Now, so anytime that you refer someone, the company is going to pay you a $25 residual income with the marketing system, and they pay out every Friday. Keep game. Both of these companies pay out every Friday, so now you're paid on Fridays, okay? So you're going to get an $80 to $90 commission with MCA, and you're going to get a $25 residual income with TCP. So you're maximizing your income to roughly around $105 at the minimum. That sounds like some good money, man, and that's residual income that you can make with this as well. MCA is a one-time 200% commission. So that's why they give you $80 up front. It is $40 to sign up, so you're paying your first and your last month, which is $19, $5 a week. If you want to pay $20, okay? And that's all it is per month to bring your MCA business. So $20 a month to have your MCA business, and $50 a month for your TCP business. And TCP is your marketing system where you can buy leads for people that decide that they want to make money online, things like that. They can buy leads from TCP, okay? So my goal is to show you how to do this. I'm going to give you all of the training. I'm going to give you everything that you need to set your systems up to get you going. It's about making money and winning, guys. I don't want to keep flashing money, man, because like I said, the alphabet boys and everybody else, just in crypto, man, I've seen so many people now just, they sue happy. Soon as some shit happen, man, where they lose money, they sue happy because they saying this person, you know, they lied to me, guys, and it's getting that way. So be careful, man. Be careful about flashing all this money, guys. If you've seen other people flash money, I don't feel like this. Shit works, okay? It works, but you're gonna get the wrong crowd. I'm looking for people that's willing to learn. You know, dedicate yourself 3 to 6 months in learning, getting the right tools to learn how to market and make money. Those are the people that I'm willing to work with. I'm not looking to work with people that's just looking to make a quick buck, and then as soon as something don't go their way, they're willing to point the fingers because they didn't put in the work and get the information to study. All right, I'm not doing it. Okay, those are the people I refuse to work with. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you have not gotten involved with MCA, guys, it's real. A lot of people are making money. I do my thing. I just wanted to kind of put the information out here. Like I said, we're going to shoot videos, educational videos, and we're going to shoot the videos that bring in the money. And all of my programs bring in the money. Educational programs and programs that help you and your family. So, click the link at the bottom. Reach out to me if you do have questions. This is your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed Sunday. Peace.